Hi everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Belk credit card online. Watch the tutorial till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.belkcredit.com/activate and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this card activation page for Belk reward. In order to activate your credit card, you must type in your credit card information in the text boxes. Start off by typing in your credit card number in the first text box, which is 16-digit long. After you are done, head over to the security code text field and type in the 3 digits security code available on the back of your credit card. On the next field, type in the last 4 digits of your social security number and finally click the Activate My Card button at the bottom. Follow the on-screen prompts till the end and complete your activation. That is how you'll be able to activate your Belk reward credit card online. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.